Good morning, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I miss you so much, and I hope you are fine. Today, inshallah, I will continue our lesson for 3 intermediate. Today, I'll talk about a grammar lesson. We will talk about conditional if. As we know, if has 3 conditionals. Type number 0, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Today we will talk about conditional sentences type 2. If Ted had a motorbike, he would ride it to school every day. As we see, if followed by past simple in the first sentence. Second sentence we have would ride. Would plus verb 1, would plus infinitive, would or could or should or might. Any phrasal verb in the past form. For example, if I lived by the beach, I could go swimming every day. If I lived here in the past simple, lived here in the past simple in the first sentence. Second sentence we have could go. Could plus verb 1 or plus infinitive. Note, we use if I were you to give advice. When you advise someone, you can say if I were you. If I were you, I would study hard. If I were you, I'd go to a doctor. If I were you, I would run fast to win the race. Okay? If I were you, I wouldn't listen to my friends. Again, we have if plus present simple or past simple. Present simple in the first conditional. We have type 2. If plus past simple plus would or could or should or would or might plus verb 1 or infinitive form. Okay. I have some questions and we will try to answer these questions. Complete the sentences with correct form of the verbs in brackets to form conditional sentences type 2. Okay, let's start. Number 1, if my best friend space shout at me, I space feel really bad. Who can answer? If my best friend, here I need the past simple in the first sentence. Second sentence would or could plus verb 1. Okay, the right answer, if my best friend shouted at me, I would feel really bad. Number 2, if I space be you, I space not go to school today, you look ill. Here he gives advice. He advised his friend. Okay, if I were you, as we know, we always says if I were you for giving advice, or when I advised someone, I say if I were you, I wouldn't go. Past simple and wouldn't plus verb 1. If I were you, I wouldn't go to school today because he looks ill. You look ill. Number 3, I space try to save money if space wanted to go on. I space try to save money if I space want to go on. I would try. Here, as we see, if in the middle of the sentence, it followed by past simple, and the first sentence we use would plus verb 1. I would try to save money if I wanted to go on holiday in the summer. The last sentence, number 4, my sister space scream if she space see an insect in her bed. Okay, as we see, if in the middle of the sentence, it followed by past simple and preceded by would plus infinitive. The answer is my sister would scream if she saw in the past simple. As we know, see, the past form is saw. If she saw an insect in her bed. Okay, we have finished our lesson today and we'll continue soon, inshallah. Goodbye for now. See you soon with my best wishes, Mr. Muhammadin Shirbini. Bye.